If your videos currently sound like they were recorded in a tin can, then you're going to need to step up your audio game and doing it on a dime with this little device. This is a dual microphone setup that you plug right into your phone. So you can plug it into anything that takes a USB-C, any lightning port for an iPhone, or any aux port phone. So they thought of everything with these three little handy gadgets here. Now you know that you're connected by just simply powering up one of these mics to the receiver, and it automatically will connect for you. So you can plug one, and it comes with a dead cat or a windscreen, so you can take this outside and put your phone on a tripod and instantly upgrade the audio quality of your phone. And we're going to turn this one on to show you how simple it is. So you got a power button here, right here. You turn it on and it immediately connects. You see how it connected right there? And so two greens mean you have two receivers. Now they're going to be perfect if you're going to do an interview style, or you and your wife are going to be on camera. Simply just clip it anywhere you want, to your shirt, to your hat. Seen a lot of people doing that lately, and you're good to go for mic. And then if it's windy outside, you slap one of these on. It's really simple, really easy. Just pushing it on, put it on like that. So I'm going to show you the audio quality on this really quick. It also comes with a dual cable. Now this is a kind of a cool thing. So it's one USB cable here, and it has two USB-Cs, so you can charge both of these receivers all at the same time. So that's cool. It's just a split charger right there. And then it comes with a extension in case your aux cable need to have just a little bit more reach on there. And so that's handy too. And then it comes with this case that you can put everything in. Now, the audio quality that I'm using right now is on a professional mic from DJI mic. I'm going to show you the difference between maybe more of an expensive one and then do it on a dime one, that you don't really need to jump up to this quality unless you want professionalism, because I'm going to show you guys right now the difference in quality. All right, this is the sound quality from a straight cell phone. The disadvantage of having a cell phone with no microphones or whatever is you do have to have close proximity. So if you're doing close proximity, this is the quality you're going to get. But if I back up even further, you might not be able to get that quality of voice control that you need if you're doing videos. And so the next clip I'm going to show you really quick is the phone with the receiver attached, and we'll jump up in audio quality. All right, this receiver, I'm going to show you right now that it's picking up the audio from this receiver. But the couple of cool things on this receiver is that you do need to charge them separately. You have the USB, and then you also have an aux port here for a lab mic. So if you wanted to put this in your pocket, run a lab mic, you have the ability to do that. It doesn't come with one, but it doesn't have the ability to do that. Plus, you can mute it right here from the buttons. So if you wanted to mute it but still have it powered on, you can put the dead cat on it or the windscreen on it just like that. But normally, for me, I'm just going to wear this on my shirt. So this is where I put it. So you can see now the audio has definitely enhanced from the previous, just coming straight from the phone. So you have two mics that go into one receiver. So you can give this mic to somebody else that you're having a conversation with in your videos. Can you hear the difference between professional, cell phone, and then these? So if you're trying to level up your audio, I don't think you can go wrong with getting two mics, a receiver, a windscreen, all for a great price.